हेलो बच्चों, this is mock test 2 for biology for the NEET exam 2024. The rules are simple. Total questions 90. Each correct answer carries plus 4 marks. Each wrong answers -1. तो पेन पेपर लेके शुरू हो जाओ और पूरा मॉक टेस्ट कंप्लीट करके अपना स्कोर कमेंट करना. चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट. First question. Taxonomy deals with development of zoological parks, study of kinds and diversity of microorganisms only, evolutionary relationships between organisms, classification of diverse organisms in different taxa. And the right answer is option 4, classification of diverse organisms in different taxa. Next question. Which of the following microbe is the source of first antibiotic? Penicillium notatum, Staphylococcus, Aspergillus niger, Bacillus brevis. The right answer is option A, Penicillium notatum. Next question. Use of antihistamines and steroids give a quick relief from 1. Nausea, 2. Cough, 3. Headache, 4. Allergy. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन 4, एलर्जी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Tissue commonly known as passport point or biological checkpost is characterized by buliform cells and raphides, cystolith and motor cells, Casparian bands and passage cells and fats. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, कैस्पेरियन बैंड्स एंड पैसेज सेल्स. अगला क्वेश्चन. Adventive embryony in citrus is due to nucellus, integuments, zygotic embryo, fertilized egg. इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट, nucellus. Okay, next question. The region of biosphere reserve which is legally protected and where no human activity is allowed is known as number 1, core zone, 2, buffer zone, 3, transition zone, 4, restoration zone. इसका आंसर होगा 1, core zone. Okay, next question. Which of the following hydrolyzes internal phosphodiesterase bonds in a polynucleotide chain? Lipase, protease, endonuclease, exonuclease. The answer is option 3, endonuclease. Okay, next question. Question number 8. Hydroponics refers to growing plants in macronutrients culture medium, water, solution of mineral nutrients, soil. The right answer is option 3, solution of mineral nutrients. Next question. Which of the following statement is incorrect with respect to Golgi apparatus? It is non-membrane bound organelle. It is composed of flattened sacs called cisternae. Cisternae resemble with SER. Golgi apparatus has two phases, cis and trans. इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन 1, इट इज नॉन मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड ऑर्गेनेल। मतलब ये इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है इसमें से, ये चारों में से ये इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है। चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द ग्रेटर BOD of wastewater relates increases oxygen content of water, decreases oxygen content of water, the decrease of temperature of water, all of these. The right answer is option 2, decreases oxygen content of water. Question number 11. Choose odd one with respect to medium through which male gametes are transferred. Option 1, algae and bryophytes. Option 2, pteridophytes, algae. Option 3, simple plant bryophytes. Option 4, gymnosperms, angiosperms. The right answer is option 4, gymnosperms, angiosperms. Next question. Which one of the following is considered a hotspot of biodiversity in India? Aravalli Hills, Western Ghats, Indo-Gangetic Plain, Eastern Ghats. The answer is option 2, Western Ghats. Next question. Blue-green algae are included in which of the following groups? Bryophytes, prokaryotes, protista, fungi. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, prokaryotes. Okay, next question. If you suspect major deficiency of antibodies in person, to which of the following would you look for confirmatory evidence? Hemocytes, serum albumins, serum globulins, fibrinogen in the plasma. The answer is option 3, serum globulins. Okay, next question. Which of the following statement is applicable for all flowering plants? Option 1, Monosiphonous pollen tube. 2, non-motile and morphologically dissimilar gametes. 3, presence of pollinium. 4, division of generative cell after pollination. The answer is option B, non-motile and morphologically dissimilar gametes. Next question. A cell when immersed in a solution increases in volume, so the external solution is hypotonic, isotonic, hypotonic, either hypertonic or hypotonic. The next, okay, the correct answer is option 3, hypotonic. Next question. Mitosis occurs in meristematic cells, undifferentiated germ cells, somatic cells. More than one option is correct. The right answer is option 4. कमेंट में बताना कौन कौन सा है करेक्ट इसमें से। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. Lipids that insulate the nerve fiber are lecithin, cholesterol, suberin, glycolipids. The right answer is option 4, glycolipids. Question number 19. Laminarin is the stored food in Dictyota, volvox, Polysyphonia, Chlamydomonas. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन 1, Dictyota. Okay, next question. 9 plus 2 organization is present in 1. Flagella of bacteria, 2. Flagella and cilia of eukaryotic cell, 3. Basal body, 4. Centriole and basal body. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन 2, flagella and cilia of eukaryotic cell. Okay, question number 21. Which of the given is or are example of differentiation? 1. Loss of nucleus and perforations in some sheep tube members. 2. Lignin deposition in tracheids and vessels. 3. Differential wall thickening in guard cells. 4. More than one option is correct. बताओ बताओ. Okay, the right option is more than one option is correct. सेल का कुछ भी चेंज हो तो उसको डिफरेंशिएशन कहते हैं. Okay, next question. Smaller animals tend to lose body heat very fast as compared to larger animals because they have higher surface to volume ratio, lower surface to volume ratio, equal values of surface and volume, very low BMR. And the answer is option 1, higher surface to volume ratio. Question number 23. Amount of air left in the lung after normal expiration is residual volume, inspiratory reserve volume, expiratory reserve volume, functional residual capacity. The right answer is option 4, functional residual capacity. Okay, next question. Transported and storage form Transported and storage form of nitrogen in plants are amides, polypeptides, amino acids, ketoglutaric acids. The answer is option 1, amides. Okay, next question. Question number 25. Maize lead to resistance to maize stem borers due to 1. High aspartic acid and high nitrogen content. 2. Low nitrogen and low sugar content. 3. Low sugar content and low aspartic acid. 4. More than one option is correct. The answer is option 2, low nitrogen and low sugar content. Next question. Trachea divides into right and left. Secondary bronchi, tertiary bronchi, bronchioles, primary bronchi. The correct answer should be option 4, primary bronchi. Question number 27. Which one of the following is not the modification of leaf? Tendrilin antigonon. 2. Tendrilin clematis. 3. Tendrilin gloriosa. 4. Tendrilin nepenthes. लीप का कौन सा मॉडिफिकेशन नहीं है? लीप का मॉडिफिकेशन नहीं है कौन सा? The answer is 1. Tendrilin antigonon. Question number 28. Higher plants differ from animals in having spindle microtubule, anastral mitosis, kinetochores, disappearance of nucleolus during prophase. The correct answer is option 2, anastral mitosis. Next question. The second commitment period for Kyoto Protocol was decided at Cancun, Durban, Bali, Doha. क्योटो प्रोटोकॉल तो पता है ना? बोलो कौन सी जगह है जहां डिसाइड हुआ था? Okay, the answer is Doha. Option 4. Next question. Study of lizards is known as saurology, serpentology, ophiology, ornithology. मुझे तो लग रहा है ऑर्निथोलॉजी होगा. ऐसा अगर सोच रहे हो तो छोड़ दो प्रिपरेशन. Okay, the answer is 1, saurology. Next question. The rate of photosynthesis is higher in very high light, continuous light, red light, green light. The answer is red light. Next question. Juicy hair-like structures observed in the lemon fruit develop from exocarp, mesocarp, endocarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. The answer is endocarp. Question number 33. Crop plants grown in monoculture are low in yield, free from intraspecific competition, characterized by a poor root system, highly prone to pests. The answer is highly prone to pests. Question 34. बड़ा सवाल. Water vapor comes out from the plant leaf through the stomatal opening. Through the same stomatal opening, carbon dioxide diffuses into the plant during photosynthesis. Reason out the above statements using one of the following options. Option 1. One process occurs during daytime and the other at night. Option 2. Both processes cannot happen simultaneously. Option 3. Both processes can happen together because the diffusion of coefficient of water and carbon dioxide is different. Option 4. The above process happen only during night time. So the answer should be option 3. Both processes can happen together because the diffusion coefficient of water and carbon dioxide is different. ठीक है? Next question. Sprain is caused due to stretching of tendon, ligament, muscle, nerve. It's the ligament. Okay. Question number 36. Microbodies are membrane bound minute vesicles, non membrane bound organelles, present only in animals, present only in plants. They are membrane bound minute vesicles. Okay, question number 36. Oh, it's gone. Question number 37. If the apical board has been removed, then we observe 1. More lateral branches, 2. More adventitious buds, 3. Plant growth stops, 4. Flowering stops. एपिकल बोर्ड को निकाल देने से क्या होगा? So more lateral branches will be seen. Next question. The central lumens are obli- obliterated in xylem fibers, phloem parenchyma, xylem parenchyma, sheep tubes. So the correct option is option 1, xylem fibers. Question number 39. Digestion is completed in duodenum, ileum, stomach, cloaca. इसका जवाब है ऑप्शन 2, इलियम. Question number 40. Which one of the following is a wrong statement regarding mutation? Deletion and insertion of base pairs cause frame shift mutations. Cancer cells commonly show chromosomal aberrations. UV and gamma rays are mutagens. Change in a single base pair of DNA does not cause mutation. क्या wrong है इसमें? Fourth one is wrong. Change in a single base pair of DNA does not cause mutation. Okay, next question. Select incorrectly matched pairs. Mucormycido, Coprophilus, Albugo, Candida, facultative parasite, Agaricus, Bisporus, edible Basidiocarp, Poxinia graminis, black rust fungi. तो इनकरेक्टली मैच पेयर है अल्बिगो कैंडिडा facultative parasite. Next question. Overcultivation and unrestricted grazing are examples of improper resource utilization, deforestation, zoom cultivation, greenhouse effect. The answer is option 1, improper resource utilization. Question number 43. Potato and brinjal belong to the genus Solanum, which reflects that 1. They belong to single species. 2. They are a group of related species. 3. They both are morphologically and structurally similar to each other in all respects. 4. They can always produce fertile hybrid. They are a group of related species. Okay, very simple. Question 44. The eyes of the potato tuber are axillary buds, root buds, flower buds, shoot buds. The answer is auxiliary bots. बहुत ही simple सवाल. Question 45. The complex concerned with oxidative phosphorylation in inner mitochondrial membrane is complex 4, complex 5, complex 3, complex 2. 4, 5, 3, 2. Which one is correct? The correct answer is option 2, complex 5 or 5th. Okay, next question. The two auricles are demarcated externally from the ventricle by an irregular groove called interauricular septum, interventricular septum, coronary sulcus, interventricular groove. So the right answer is option 3, coronary sulcus. Question 47. Each chromosome at the anaphase stage of a bone marrow cell in our body has two chromatids, several chromatids, no chromatids, only one chromatid. The right answer is only one chromatid, option 4. Question 48. Curve showing the effectiveness of different wavelength of light in photosynthesis was first given by Engelmann using all except 1. Filamentous green alga cladophora, 2. Unicellular green alga chlorella, 3. Suspension of aerobic bacteria, 4. Prism to split the light in its components. इसका जवाब है यूनिसेलुलर ग्रीन अल्गा क्लोरेला. इसको यूज नहीं किया था. Next question. Mendel obtained wrinkled sheets in pea due to deposition of sugars instead of starch. It was due to which enzyme? Amylase, invertase, diastase, absence of starch branching enzyme. So the answer is absence of starch branching enzyme. Question number 50. Which one of the following helps in absorption of phosphorus from soil by plants? Anabaena, glomus, rhizobium, frankia. This answer is glomus. Question number 51. If interference is complete or 100%, then the frequency of observed double crossover will be 1. Equal to expected frequency, 2. Greater than expected frequency, 3. Lesser than expected frequency, 4. 0. The right answer is 0. Okay. Next question. Which one of the following is common to multicellular fungi, filamentous algae, and protonema of mosses? Multiplication by fragmentation, diplontic life cycle, members of kingdom Plantae, mode of nutrition. So the answer is multiplication by fragmentation. Next question. Viruses are no more alive than isolated chromosomes because they require both RNA and DNA. They both need food molecules. They both require oxygen for respiration. Both require the environment of a cell to replicate. It's because both require the environment of a cell to replicate. Question 54. Which one of the following has its own DNA? Peroxisome, mitochondria, dictyosome, lysosome. Lysosome, 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 lysosome. बोले तो फेल हो जाओगे. Okay, so the right answer is mitochondria. Next question. Which one of the following makes use of RNA as a template to synthesize DNA? Reverse transcriptase, DNA dependent RNA polymerase, DNA polymerase, RNA polymerase. The answer is reverse transcriptase. Okay. Question 56. Which one of the following is alcoholic amino acid pair? Tyrosine and serine, threonine and serine, phenylalanine and tyrosine, tryptophan and phenylalanine. Alcoholic amino acid pair, threonine and serine. Okay, so the next question. What is correct for bacterial transcription? mRNA requires processing to become active. Translation can begin when mRNA is fully transcribed. Transcription and translation takes place in the same compartment. Rho factor initiates the process. Bacterial transcription. So the answer is option 3. Transcription and translation takes place in the same compartment. Next question. Which type of cells have the capacity of self-perpetuation? Meristematic cells, companion cells, sheep cells, parenchyma cells. It's the meristematic cells. Question number 59. Which one of the following is not a gaseous biogeochemical cycle in ecosystem? Nitrogen cycle, carbon cycle, sulfur cycle, phosphorus cycle. The answer is phosphorus cycle. Next question. Phytochrome is a flavoprotein, glycoprotein, lipoprotein, chromoprotein. Phytochrome क्या होता है? Chromoprotein. Okay. Question number 61. Which of the feature is not present in amphibia? 1. Scales are present. 2. Most of them have two pairs of limbs and locomotion. 3. Eyes have eyelids. 4. Organisms are cold-blooded. Amphibia. So the right option is scales are present. मतलब ये गलत स्टेटमेंट है एम्फीबिया के लिए. Next question. The abundance of a species population within its habitat is called relative density, regional density, absolute density, niche density. its niche density. Question number 63. The partial pressure of oxygen in the alveoli of the lungs is equal to that in the blood, more than that in the blood, less than that in the blood, less than that of carbon dioxide. More than that in the blood. Okay. 64. Chlorophyll A molecule at its carbon atom 3 of the pyrrole ring 2 has one of the following: carboxylic group, magnesium, aldehyde group, methyl group. मिथाइल ग्रुप होता है. Okay, next question. About 98% of the mass of every living organism is composed of just 6 elements, including carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, and 1. Sulfur and magnesium, 2. Magnesium and sodium, 3. Calcium and phosphorus, 4. Phosphorus and sulfur. So the answer is calcium and phosphorus, along with carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. Next question. An association of individuals of different species living in the same habitat and having functional interaction is population, ecological niche, biotic community, ecosystem. इसको biotic community कहा जाता है. Next question. Extranuclear inheritance is the consequence of presence of genes in mitochondria and chloroplasts, endoplasmic reticulum and mitochondria, ribosomes and chloroplasts, lysosomes and ribosomes. So the answer is mitochondria and chloroplasts. Next question. Death of leaves Death of leaf tissues in plants is caused by deficiency of calcium magnesium, zinc sulfur, molybdenum sulfur, molybdenum and carbon. कौन सी deficiency? The answer is calcium and magnesium. Next question. Chipko movement was launched for the protection of forests, livestock, wetlands, grasslands. बहुत ही easy सवाल. The answer is 1. Forests. Next question. During photorespiration, phosphorylation as well as oxidation both occurs in centrosome, peroxisome, mitochondria, chloroplast. The answer is chloroplast. Next question. The thallus organization of volvox is multicellular and cocoid, colonial and non-flagellate, unicellular, colonial and motile. The answer should be option 4, colonial and motile. Next question. Cereals and millets are mainly deficient in which amino acids? 1. Sulfur containing amino acids, methionine and cysteine. Lysine, tryptophan, ऑप्शन 4 इज बोथ 2 and 3, मतलब लाइसिन और ट्रिप्टोफैन। क्या नहीं होता सीरियल्स और मिलेट्स में? द आंसर इज बोथ 2 and 3, लाइसिन और ट्रिप्टोफैन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which one of the following elements is almost non-essential for plants? Zinc, sodium, calcium, molybdenum. Na is almost non-essential. Sodium. Okay, question 74. Packaging of DNA helix. 1. Involves polyamines in eukaryotes. 2. Occurs with the help of NHC proteins only. 3. Requires acidic proteins that help in coiling of DNA in prokaryotes. 4. Is more complex in eukaryotes than prokaryotes. The answer is option 4. Packaging of DNA helix is more complex in eukaryotes than prokaryotes. Okay, next question. Which of the following ecosystems has highest productivity? Productivity. 1. Tropical deciduous forest. 2. Temperate coniferous forest. 3. Tropical rainforest. 4. Desert shrub. The answer is tropical rainforest. Question 76. Diatomaceous earth is formed due to which substance? Phosphorus, calcium, silicon, copper. It is due to silicon. Question 77. A fruit developed from hypanthodium inflorescence is called Sorosis, Cyconus, Caryopsis, Asperdium. It's called Cyconus. 78. Phylogenetic classification is one which is based on overall similarities, utilitarian system, habits of plants, common evolutionary descent. It is based on common evolutionary descent. Next question. The coconut water and the edible part of the coconut are equivalent to mesocarp, embryo, endosperm, endocarp. The answer is endosperm. Question number 80. Besides paddy fields, cyanobacteria are also found inside vegetative part of cycas, equisetum, xylotum, or pinus. The answer is cycas. Next question. Gleason's capsule is related to liver, pancreas, lung, pharynx. The right answer is option 1, liver. Next question. Genetic variation in a population arises due to mutations only, recombinations only, mutations as well as recombination, reproductive isolation and selection. जेनेटिक वेरिएशन कैसे होता है एक पॉपुलेशन में? So the answer is both mutations as well as recombinations. Next question. Anatomically fairly old dicotyledonous root is distinguished from the dicotyledonous stem by absence of secondary phloem, presence of cortex, position of protoxylem, absence of secondary xylem. So it is distinguished by position of protoxylem. Next question. Process of reproduction which results in production of identical offsprings is complex fast, simple slow, fast simple, fast elaborate. It's fast and simple. Question 85. Rise in the temperature and air humidity can be observed from equator towards polar region, poles to equator region during latitudinal transition, plains to mountain top during altitudinal movement, and more than one option is correct. बताओ. So the right answer is poles to equator regions during latitudinal transition. Next question. The kind of tissue that forms the supportive structure in our pinna or external ears is also found in nails, ear ossicles, tip of the nose, vertebrae. The answer is tip of the nose. 87. In wheat plant, dash root system is present. Nodulated, tap, fibrous or fibrous, prop. Wheat plant का root system. The answer is fibrous. Next question. Which of the following is the most important cause driving animals and plants to extinction? 1. Alien species invasions. 2. Co-extinctions. 3. Habitat loss and fragmentation. 4. Overexploitation. So the answer is habitat loss and fragmentation. Option 3 is correct. Next question. How many ATP molecules are formed by oxidative phosphorylation from NADH produced during single Krebs cycle? 6, 18, 30, 9. The answer is 9 ATP molecules. Finally, the last question. Semi-conservative replication of DNA was first demonstrated in Salmonella typhimurium, Drosophila melanogaster, E. coli, Streptococcus pneumoniae. So the right answer should be option 3, E. coli. Yes. और ये हमने 90 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट कर लिए. कमेंट डाउन योर स्कोर्स, कितने करेक्ट हुए. चलो मिलते हैं एक न्यू मॉक टेस्ट के साथ नेक्स्ट वीक. थैंक यू.